credit card was probably declined because you had insufficient funds. Now, if you guys have insufficient funds, I mean, you don't have enough money on that credit card in terms of your limit for that credit card transaction to go through. Sometimes it can be declined due to fraud too. Now, if it is possibly due to fraud, or maybe they're just trying to protect you, make sure you guys call your credit card company right away. Or sometimes you'll see that they text you, like maybe Federal is good with this. They'll text you and say, hey, look like we have fraud on your account. Can you please verify this transaction? So it can be declined because of that. Now, when they actually text you, y'all want to make sure that when they text you, you want to make sure that you text them back right away, or you get that fraud alert or whatever it is on your account. Make sure you get that off, because sometimes you may think, oh, I'm not going to do it, I'm going to do it later, or whatever the case may be for your situation. If you guys wait, they can possibly have your account completely on hold for the fraud. Or maybe sometimes it could have been something that they caught, maybe use a new company, or maybe it could be a possibly fraudulent transaction, and you guys want to do something right away. So make sure you just call them right away if your card is declined, to see why. But a lot of times you can look in your account and first look and see if the balance I'll see if you have a limit, like, do I got enough in there first? And then if you look in there, you see that your credit limit is really low, and you're trying to use $100 and you don't have $100 in your credit limit, then most likely it's declined because of that. Sometimes too, the cash register, whatever you're using, will tell you is declined because maybe they'll say the billing zip code is incorrect, is declined because insufficient funds, but they'll definitely let you know why